PLRZ stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this very short 1 minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, and 5 years spent into this freaking craft. Every single day for 5 years, I've done 40,000 videos, right? Like, they're all documented on my YouTube channel, and there's that proof, not like anyone else. This is absolutely a killer of a movement up. And when I've seen these types of movements, I've seen most success personally just try to double down, right? So again, pre-market's huge here next week, but all I'm looking to do is just double down on this beautiful bullish market. And again, it's already $1. If there is some sort of correction and a double break confirmation, bro, I'm gonna look to really just demolish these highs. But if no rules are met, then I'm not gonna buy. Okay, so let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.